equinox blessings for this spring equinox here in the UK, in the northern hemisphere, or perhaps you're in the southern hemisphere. But taking a moment in nature to really sink in and drop in and appreciate that still point, that equal point, that balance and harmony. So often we have a sense of polarity or perceived polarities, one thing or another. And this is a moment where we can stand in the middle of everything, stand between the two sides, the perceived sides, and just find that stillness, find that point of oneness, that point of balance, that point of equanimity. So take a moment with me now. Let's take a breath. Let's find our rooting, find the ground beneath us. The same ground, the same earth, the same planet. And you're grounding down through the body, down through the legs, down through the feet. Noticing a steadying, a quietening, a calming. Being received by the earth, being received by Mother Earth, by nature, by life around us, by life within us. Noticing that natural vibrancy of life that we are always, that has us always. And resting into your heart, resting into that presence, that wonder, that natural space of compassion, of love and tender care for yourself, for those around you. And breathing into your heart, letting your heart smile, letting your body smile, received and embraced by this moment as you breathe and receive and embrace this moment too. As one. As one. One breath. One earth. One humanity. As we pause at equinox to remember this space between, this poise, this point of balance, this point before we move in either direction. Smile to your heart, let your heart smile to you. Maybe even your face smiles, maybe your eyes smile, your cells, your body. Just take a moment to enjoy this sunset behind me, nature, the birds, so beautiful. Wishing you a very blessed day, a very blessed evening, and return to this pause. It can be at any time. We have pauses all the time in our day, in our moments, in our breath, in ourselves. So return doesn't have to be equinox, but blessings and love to you all.